Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a DIY girly, if you are a girly who loves doing her own hair, you clicked on the right video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this 427 13x4 deep wave highlights wig. It is such a gorgeous color, you guys. It's a 13x4, like I said. It has 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. The wig did not come pre-plucked, but I did have to go in and pluck it off camera. Plucking is so important, you guys. I will be filming a plucking video soon. Get into this hair, you guys. Get into it. So this is what it looks like after I have plucked it, and I absolutely love how it looks. The wig is a bit thin, but nonetheless, I think it is such a gorgeous unit. So I'm taking my wet wipe with rubbing alcohol and I'm just removing any excess makeup on my forehead before going in with my Glamour adhesive spray. I went in with about 2 layers and then I put on my wig right afterwards. I did my bald cap off camera. I like to do a bald cap whenever I wear like colored wigs. I just feel like it makes it look so gorgeous. With any parting that you do, it gives scalp. So I went off camera to cut off my ear tabs and adjusted my wig properly before going in again with another 2 layers of the Glamour adhesive spray. That's the only thing that I'm going to be using to stick down my lace. I didn't really want to use glue because I didn't keep the install for a very long time. I think I kept it for about 5 days. And I think what helped was that I did touch up the wig here and there.
You ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets to this dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours. I've been thinking about us, you as real as they come. But you were.
Now I'm going in with my lace melt band and I'm going to be doing a double melt as always. I feel like this really helps to melt your lace and also helps to keep your wig stuck down for longer, because I'm the type of person that likes to spend a couple days with my installs. So I let that sit for about 15 minutes and then I took it off.
I've been working all day.
And as you guys can see, the lace is already looking good. So now I'm sectioning out the parts of the lace that I'm going to be cutting, and I'm going to be cutting those in a zigzag motion. I went off camera to cut off the lace. I know that there's still a bit of lace left. The wig doesn't really fit my head. Most of these wigs don't really fit my head. So yeah, I figured out a way to make them fit. So I went in with my lace melt band again for that extra melt, and I kept that in for just a few minutes. I think it was about like 5 minutes, and then I took it right off before going in with my stick foundation to blend in that lace with my skin.
I know I lied to way before I had you right this moment. Then again I can be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I pick.
Now I'm taking my lace melt spray from Ralon Wigs as well, but I got it from Dragon City. And then I also used my Isoplus spritz to further melt the lace before going in with my mini lace melt band.
I feel it, yeah. But you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me if you still up. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? I'm telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to way before. Before I had you right this and again, I can be drunk.
So I did my baby hairs off camera, and these are the products that I used to do them. I will link everything down in the description box. Now let's get into this hair, you guys. So I decided to go for a middle part. I went in with my olive oil hair mousse, and then I went in with my wax stick and my heat protectant along with the hot comb to flatten that area out. I love a flat install, whether I'm wearing curly hair or straight hair. I just have to go in with my hot comb because I just feel like it makes it look like it's coming out of your scalp.
Are you about it to rail? And now the kids dancing to sleep, and now you obsessed by yourself. A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me, is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? I'm telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to way before I had you right this moment. But then again, I can be drunk.
Tonight, slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck that night, I keep the.
So now I'm I'm combing out the hair with my wide tooth comb, starting from the bottom and making my way up. Initially, I wanted to add product on this hair, but after I saw how good the curl pattern was looking, after I combed it out, I decided not to use anything. So these are the curls fresh out the pack. I didn't wash the wig. The only thing I did was pluck the hairline, and look at what it's giving, you guys. Look at what it's giving. I really love this hair, and the curls are so soft. So I removed my lace melt band, and as you guys can see, the lace is nice and melted. I love my baby hairs as well. I went in with my Clicks holding spray before locking that in with my hot comb.
Run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Hear my ears, you sending action. These days, no kumaye. Let's be blasting. Living in the midst of this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this love shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder. Knowing your second chances. Let's fuck. Let's do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I deep. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned.
Now I'm taking a cream concealer, a liquid concealer, sorry, and I'm just applying that on my parting to brighten it up and to clean it up. I used a concealer that's like a shade lighter than my skin tone. This is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Just said, run through crew type shit. I got a bad bitch at home, voodoo type shit. Take down Megan Stan.